how you doing? This is Brian Martin, owner of Powerhouse Painting and Home Improvement. I wanted to go over how to make a payment using our software. So the first step is finding the email with our invoice. If you don't see it, check your spam or all mail folder. It'll say Brian Martin, Powerhouse Painting and Home Improvement, invoice number, and a long set of numbers. Once you find it, click on it. Once you see that, you should be able to see a View Here button in blue. Click on that. Once you are there, you're one step closer, click on the Invoice Unpaid, and that will give you a breakdown of the invoice. And in the top left corner, you can hit the Pay button and you can input your credit card and make that payment for the invoice. If you have any questions, call our office at 757-310-2926. Thank you.